See, before taking the clever monkey story, we have seen the video also. I hope you all understand little bit, isn't it? Now we are going to take the lesson chapter wise. Chapter 1, the clever monkey. Once two hungry cats found a piece of bread. So one day, two hungry cats found a piece of bread. Bread, all of you know. Isn't it? All of you have seen bread, and I hope all of you have eaten the bread also. Isn't it? Roti. That is called bread. So once two hungry cats found a piece of bread. I saw it first. It is mine. So then see in the picture, two cat is there and one tree is there. In the top of the tree, one monkey is watching. Isn't it? See. Then one of the cat told that he only found the first, so I need this bread. Then another cat told, I only saw first, so I need. So both were fighting for one piece of bread. Both were fighting for the one piece of bread. I saw it first. It is mine. Then another cat is telling, no, I saw it first. Keep off. Keep off means you should not touch. Don't touch something. That is called keep off. This is I only found first, so you should not touch. So this all happening was seeing monkey. The monkey was seeing all these things. The monkey came up to them. Suddenly he came down and he was discussing with the two cats. Why are you fighting? Both of you found the piece of bread at the same time. You should share it equally. First the monkey simply he told, why you are fighting? The monkey was so clever. Clever is buddhi. So monkey thought, I have to do something here. Then only I will get this bread. So simply it asked these two fellow hungry cats, why you are fighting? Yes, you both have found out the piece of bread, but even both at the same time, you both have seen. Why you are quarreling? Then one of the cat told, that seems to be a fair idea. Then the monkey told, I will share it into two equal piece of this bread. Then one of the cat told, okay, that is good idea. Fair idea means good idea. I will help you. Share the piece of bread equally. Then this monkey told, I will help you. Cats, surely I will help you. And I will share the piece of into two equal pieces equally. Sure, very nice of you. Then another cat also agreed. Okay, monkey, you please share it equally for us. The monkey bought a balance. He broke the bread into two unequal pieces and put one on each pan. Then what does the monkey do? The monkey bought a balance. Balance means or thras pola. When you go to shop, you can see that balance, isn't it? So like that, the monkey, see the picture, the monkey bought a balance, isn't it? He bought a balance and he made it into two halves, but it was not equal. That is the main point. It was not equal. One was little bigger and the other was little small. Understand? So when we put in the weight, in the balance, then the heavier part will be coming down, isn't it? And the smaller part will be rising. So like that only the clever monkey have taken these two pieces of this bread. Then he was showing the balance. This one is heavier. Then the monkey put the pieces of the bread and he shown to the cats. This one is heavier. See, the one of the lift is heavier. Don't worry. I will see to it that both of you get an equal share. You need not worry. Okay. Yes, I also agree. One is little heavier and other is small. So, you don't worry. I will make it equal again. The clever monkey took a large bite of the bigger piece of the bread. Then what did the monkey do? The bigger piece, no, that heavier piece of the bread, the monkey bite on the kadichedukada. Understand? Bite of the bigger piece of the bread. Now that has become heavier. Then that another piece of the bread was there, no? That piece became heavier. Understand? So, the little bit bread was gone, the monkey's stomach, isn't it? Now, no problem. Let me make both the pieces equal. Again, the monkey is telling, okay, this side now it is heavier. So, you don't worry, cat. I will make it again. Again, he bite off. Monkey then bite off another big chunk from the bigger piece of the bread. This made the other piece heavier. The cats were puzzled. So again 2-3 times the monkey was biting the piece of bread. He was taking from this balance to next. Like that he was biting the bread. The pieces of the bread was becoming smaller and smaller. And then the cats were puzzled. Puzzle means what is it? The cats were confused. ഇതെന്തു പറ്റി നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്ന monkey കഴിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്ന അല്ലേ? So the cats were confused, puzzled. Chunk means a large thick piece of something. ഒരു വലിയ കഷ്ണം, അതിനെയാണ് പറയുന്ന chunk. അതൊരു ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് വേർഡാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. അതാണ് ഇവിടെ മീനിങ്, ഇവിടെ it is given, isn't it? So don't worry, I will get it at the right this time. So again, this time, these two cats were confused. They were puzzled because seeing this bread itself becoming smaller and smaller. So again the monkey was telling, don't worry, I will get it right this time. ഈ പ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ കറക്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് തരും. After all, the bread belongs to both of you. Then both of you can take it equally. Each time the monkey bite off the large piece from the bigger piece. The same it happened before. Same the monkey was doing, making the piece unequal. Again it was not equal, it was unequal. The opposite of equal is unequal. ഒരേ പോലെ അല്ല. Finally, there was no bread left. So finally what it was, see, all the bread was eaten by the monkey. All the bread was eaten by the monkey. So finally there was no bread at all. Oh dear, this bread was not meant for you. That is why it refused to get divided into equal parts. Then last the monkey told, this bread was not for you, dear. This bread was meant for me. For me. So that is why it divided into equal parts. Saying this, the monkey ran off. He went off the top of the tree. After eating the bread, he gone to the top of the tree. He had made a fool of the poor hungry cats. So the poor hungry cats made a fool. From whom? The monkey. The monkey made fool to these two hungry cats. Isn't it? Whether they got bread? No, nothing. They were simply fighting. See, ഒരാൾക്ക് ഒരു ചെറിയ കഷ്ണം ഇത്തിരി വലുതോ ചെറുതോ ആയിപ്പോയാൽ we have to sacrifice. Okay, we have to be happy. If your two friends were fighting for a piece of biscuits or whatever it may be, one fellow may be getting little bigger piece, then you have to you can happily tell that you can take it. Isn't it? Now, both the hungry cats didn't get any piece of bread. So they got hungry. Now they got. So what is the moral? What is the moral of this story? See, when two persons were dealing, that when the third person come, we should not allow third person to come inside. Isn't it? We have to share it. We have to compromise. That is the story. I hope all of you understand this story. Okay?